Oh, hey everybody. It's me, Kermit, and my good friend Elmo. Oh, hey everybody. It's me, Elmo. Oh, yeah. I'm a puppet now. If you want to see how they made me into a puppet and how they made Kermit into a puppet, go to the videos in this channel and you'll find out. Again, I ran away from home from Sesame Street and I got here. So, what's that old man's name? Oh, I don't know. What is the old man's name? Mr. Noodles is his name. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Cut the video. Cut it. Oh, hey everybody. It's me, your good old pal, Kermit the Frog. I'm here with, Michael and Teresa, and they brought home a little special friend for me. So you guys want to go ahead and, let the audience know, what you brought home for me?
So pretty much what we did, our dad went to thrift shopping, and he found this Elmo.
He found this Elmo robot thing, which we're gonna turn this into a puppet and show you how we made it on camera.
So yeah, we're gonna show how we're gonna make it, and even though we feel bad for the electronic, we're still gonna fund it.
Toy. Yeah, just for like better audience and get more like people.
Honestly, yeah.
Yeah. So what do you have to say about that?
See you in the next scene.
What do you have to say about?
All right. And cut.
So our dad here is gonna be doing the cutting for us.
I think he's mouth. No, he's gone. He's dead.
Wait, no.
There's nothing we can do for him anymore.
Mm-hmm.
He's gone. I'm sorry. But now the good thing is we can make him into a puppet. So let's go ahead and make him into a puppet here.
Okay.
We did buy him for $3.99 at the thrift shop here. It was half off. So.
Feel bad for this guy. Wait, what?
Oh man, yep, you're getting sleepy because we're gonna put you to sleep, brother.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna choke you. Death. All right, so.
Yeah, get ready. We're doing surgery on you, Elmo.
We're probably gonna get some comments saying, "Hey,
you should not put him on sleep mode because on sleep mode he seems like a song."
Yeah, I'm not. We're probably gonna get some comments though saying he just ruined a good Elmo. How dare you? You know, go to hell. But
it's for the better.
It's a puppet. We'll still use the voice box and we'll see what we can do here. Hopefully, I can get this out of his ass.
We made the Kermit thing and he turned out perfectly fine. So. Yeah. I wonder what Kermit has to say for himself about his little friend.
And then we can always just sew him back up.
Oh yeah, true.
This is gonna be a tough one. I didn't think it was gonna be this hard.
Me either.
All right.
Are we doing anything with these sharp, dangerous scissors?
Yeah, we're gonna put him to the side here.
We're gonna put him to sleep. We're gonna knock him out. Like.
Shit. This is gonna be a tough one here.
Oh yeah. You're gonna have to cut out the cords and stuff.
Out of the way.
Oh, let me get out of the way, because I don't want to get hit.
So we're going ahead and we're cutting.
Oh yeah, get deep right in.
I've been doing this. I made the Kermit puppet.
He turned out perfectly fine.
I got some experience in making puppets and turning
plushies
and stuff into puppets.
Yeah, we have a bunch of plushies.
There's a little slot in here where I'm trying to cut. It goes around the robotic head there.
Don't leave the scissors open.
So. Let's see. So he's got some arms as well. So this thing is gonna be kind of tough to get to. I'm gonna have to cut him open and just sew it back together.
Yeah.
That's probably the only way. So let's go ahead and let's do a quick little
check up on him.
Get some yarn here, some sewing string.
What?
Make a little incision here and just start cutting little by little. This Where's my assistant? Alright, so I got this part off. Okay, so it's kind of fluffy too. Let's see if we can get the robot. It's like Terminator here. It's like trying to
wrap him up to get down on the ground.
Let me see. What's holding this in place?
Oh
There's
my
a little...
gosh, you ripped off some of the fur.
I know, yeah,
What?
that's bound to happen. I'm thinking about leaving the arms in there just to give it, you know, some
Like a little bit of space to
flexibility
move and
here.
move.
Let's go ahead and we're gonna make them brand new here. So that's okay.
Yeah.
Cut that arm off there. Poor guy, he's probably in so much pain, but he's dead. I just smothered him to death. So
Yeah, you're gonna come back to life soon.
let's see here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. I just ruined a perfectly good
Elmo toy.
Elmo
and
toy.
robot
There's
thing.
kids that are
Really like
there's kids that don't have this kind of toys, and they wish they had toys like this. They don't have
That
the
we have.
opportunity to get toys like this, and here I am
Already murdering him.
murdering this damn stuffed animal here.
Yeah, but he's already dead,
It's
so.
light. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick little cut around the
Wait,
neck
I have
here.
A question. I have a
Yes.
question. When was the friendly TV show Elmo made?
I have no idea.
Oh. I thought you were grown up, so I thought you must have known everything. Oh, wait, is that the speaker box? Is that how you like make him talk and stuff on that button?
Yeah.
Give that to me when you're done. Wait, what are we gonna do with the speaker box?
I have no idea.
I think I should keep it, or I don't know.
Alright, so once that's off, let's go ahead and just pull it out
Wait,
here.
what?
So
He has a tube up his head.
let's go ahead and pull this out.
Oh my god.
And there should be a little flap here where the lips get
taken out.
control the mouth here. We'll go ahead and thinking about leaving that in there just so they can give the mouth a nice little
A move.
lip there, so you can tell we have
Oh,
that.
that's the
So,
speaker.
yeah,
That's how it talks.
let's knock him out. Now, bear with me here. Okay, that's that. Do the bottom part now. So, gonna make them brand new here. Okay, and he's detached. So this is what we're left with. I don't even know if it's gonna work anymore, is it? Oh, poor guy. Oh my gosh, look at that. How creepy is that?
Oh my gosh, this even moves. That's what moves the mouth. Wait, let me see.
So this is what we're left with here. Let's get rid of this here.
That's on
So I made a little,
so that's why I
probably
say
an
so.
inch cut.
Dang. You
the
went down
bottom
there
there.
deep.
I'm gonna have to re-sew that back up. But it does have, the good thing is it has the Velcro here. So, we can
So
just,
whenever,
and we're left with a nice little
yeah,
soft
you need to
plushie.
still.
I did leave the arms in just to give it, just so they wouldn't be too flappy. The legs are
You
filled
shouldn't.
with
You
plush
should
here.
get, you should get some fluffing.
He actually had a little button in his foot as well that probably triggered something. I didn't feel any in his hand, but he does have this here. So it's nice and soft now. Let me stick my hand in there and see what we got. So, yep, we got a good Elmo plushie.
But it's not
And,
filled with enough fluffing.
Yeah, I have to fill it up here. And that's how it's done, guys. So we have the Kermit the Frog puppet that we made about 4 months ago, and now we have the Elmo. Go ahead and show the Elmo from behind. How that? Show it. Turn it around. Show everybody how it's done there. So it's done. Okay, and this is what's left of Elmo.
You might have a little bit trouble cutting out this box, so like be careful with cutting it out.
Okay, so there's the Kermit. Not sure how in the hell we're gonna do Elmo's voice. I have no idea.
We should
I'm not
just
even
get
gonna
this
attempt to
box.
do his voice because I'll just murder it. I'm more of a Kermit kind of guy. Oh, that's right. You can't do Elmo. His voice is too high pitched. But the Kermit, I'm not even gonna try to do it. I mean the Elmo, I should say. I'm not gonna try to do it. But that's how we do the puppets here, and that's how we turn this robotic Elmo that sang and hugged and whatever into a puppet. So we'll try to get more of these puppets and try to get more of these maybe Cookie Monster or another one of these characters.
Or we can get like Big Bird.
Big Bird, yeah. And then we'll turn it into a puppet just like we did that. And it's the best. It's the best way to do it. Go ahead and like, share, subscribe, whatever you got to do. We're going to put more content out. Alright. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, everybody. Bye-bye.